Welcome. It is Monday and we are just getting started. Today, I'm going to spend the time cleaning up my palette, getting it nice and clean and ready for me to start painting and start adding color to my canvas. So I'm going to break it down. I know definitely go into the start here section. I do have video of the whole entire process, but I figured I'd spend some time talking a little bit more on, my space, how I set up, and how and why I use specific colors. And I'm going to be experimenting with some new colors on the palette. So we'll be talking about that throughout the month. So definitely watch. Have your questions ready. This is one way that I organize my palette. I just find it easier for me to teach you. But since I've been doing this, organizing my palette by value and temperature, it has made my process so much easier. So if you have the patience to set up your palette this way, I definitely encourage you to do it. So let's grab our paint. I'm going to get all my cleaning stuff and we're going to set up my palette.